So hey everyone, welcome back. So previously I made a video on how to install Neofetch. Okay, but I did not really cover like how to customize it. So recently I got a comment asking me to make a video on that. Okay, so here is the video. So in this video I'll show you how to customize Neofetch using some amazing themes from one GitHub repository. And in this video I'll also show you like how to install it. If this is a total video like how to install Neofetch and how to customize Neofetch. Okay, so let's head over to the video. And the first step is that if you don't have already Neofetch installed, no worries, just run one of these commands based on your Linux distro. I'll also mention the like commands so that it will be easy for you to install Neofetch. Okay, so as I'm using Pop OS, so it is a Debian based operating system. So the command is for like sudo apt install Neofetch. Great. Click on enter and you can see that it is already installed. If it is asking for your password, then give the password and it will be installed. Okay, great. Now clear the terminal uh, and type Neofetch. So to check Neofetch, to check if it is properly installed or not. Okay, click on that and you can see that there is a logo of Pop OS and some system information as I'm using Pop OS. Okay, so now clear the terminal. So the first step is completed. Okay, and if you already have installed Neofetch, then you can skip the like step one. Okay, so now the second step is that to grab a theme. Okay, so now open your like any browser and search for Neofetch theme GitHub. Okay, and then you can see the first GitHub repository. Click on that and scroll down a little bit and you will see that there are so many themes available in this repository. So you can choose any one of them. Like I will just choose one simple theme. Okay, so wait for some time to load all the themes properly. Okay, this one looks good. This one also looks good. Okay, so let's try a simple one. So easy to install. Okay, so uh, great, let's choose this one. It would be better like this one. Click on this. So then click on raw code and you can directly also you can directly copy the code from here. Okay, so let's okay, wait a second, let me go to the raw mode and okay, like it will take some time to like I think copy all the stuffs from here. Okay, then just head over to the file manager and when you open your file manager, go to the home folder and you can see that there is no hidden folders available in this particular repository. Okay, now what you need to do is that press Ctrl H so that all the hidden folders will be like shown up. Then head over to the config, then search for a folder called Neofetch and you can see that there is a file config. Okay, open it with any not in terminal, open it with any like code editor. Okay, suppose I will click on it and you can open it with text editor or you can open it with any code editor. So let's open it with text editor. Okay, great. It will take some time to open and just control A, remove all the things and copy paste all the things that you copied from the repository. Okay, so yeah, paste, save, click on remove all the things from here and okay, wait a time, like then open the terminal again. Okay, so here is the terminal. Quit the terminal and open it up again. Great. Now let's type Neofetch again. Now you can see that this is the replace Neofetch themes. So it will just replace the default Neofetch themes. Okay. So now your theme is totally changed. Now you will able to customize this like from the config file. Okay. Great. Now there is another thing that you did not notice, that when I suppose I just quit the terminal and open it up again, it not showing me that Neofetch theme on my terminal. Okay, right. It will not load on the fast when I open the terminal. Okay, so to do that, what you need to do is that you need to open the .zsh rc folder. Okay, or if you are using bash command bash, then you can .bashrc file. Great. And don't forget, if you want to switch themes, just repeat these steps and replace the config .conf file. Okay, so just type the command here, like code dot slash zshrc. Okay, maybe I am zsc. I think I missed the command, some like code. So, okay, so this is the command, right? I made a mistake. Great. So now it will take some time to open it up in the VS Code. I think my network connection is slow or my laptop is slow. Okay, so just go to the download the folder and simply type Neofetch here and save. Now quit this and also quit this one. Now again open the terminal. Now you can see that when I open the terminal, it will automatically load on the fast. Okay, so you can clear the terminal and start doing your work. Okay, so and this is it. You have now customized your page with a cool themes and made it so every time when you open the terminal. Okay, so big thank to the person who asked for this video. If this helped, smash the like button and subscribe for more Linux tips. Okay, and drop a comment to let me know which theme you are using now.